your energy. Yeah, you switch things up, now you